Hey folks, want to do a quick review on this Magpul RSA quick detachment attachment, and had this for a couple of years. Just a really nice piece of kit. So this is it's a QD attachment. Put it on your Picatinny rail, and what's nice about this is instead of using the mounting hole for your sling that's on your hand guard, you can just mount this on your rail, and then you can mount your sling attachment. You got multiple points, and it's whatever's comfortable for you. And what I like about this this particular one is it's all metal. It's made in the US. This one already comes with some Loctite applied to the threads, but locks down on the Picatinny rail really nice. And then you know, with the Loctite, it really shouldn't come loose on you, but if it happens to, you've got that straight cut in there. So you know, if you've got a coin or, you know, screwdriver or something in your range bag, kit bag, or whatever, you can tighten that up. It also takes I think this is an 1/8 inch hex key, and you can tighten it up there too. But and then the other thing, the sling attachment, of course, that's to me the most, you know, most important thing. Well, if it doesn't attach, that's important too, but the sling attachment. So this thing locks in very positive. I mean, it's going to be metal against metal. So you don't want to have a weak link in your anywhere in your kit. So you can see that is not going anywhere. So it it's very solid when it's mounted up there. So anyway, it's just to me, it's a very nice piece of kit or accessory that allows me to fine-tune my setup just the way I want. So anyway, hope that helps people make up their mind if they're on the fence about buying this thing. Thanks for watching this video.